Welcome to my channel, guys. In this video I'm going to show you how I built this woodshed. Needed to get the wood a little closer to the house, make it a little more convenient and easier for the wife and kids to bring it in the house when I'm not around. And anyways, I hope you like the video. First thing I did was spend some time on SketchUp to design this thing. Right here I'm doing a little layout to see exactly where I want to put the woodshed. My little tractor comes in pretty handy when it comes time to flatten out this ground and level it out a little bit, make it easier to work with. Then I mark the center point of where I want this thing to end up. And I take the time to carefully lay out these deck foundation blocks so that everything ends up square and straight when I'm done. Now it's time to cut some of the framework and start putting this thing together. And here you can see my lovely assistant helping me out to hold these posts up so they don't fall. And my handsome assistant as well. As you'll notice throughout the rest of the video, the kids seem to think that I'm making them a jungle gym. When I'm putting these cross pieces up, I'm clamping a piece of wood to the post to hold one end firm while I get the other end going. I tack one end and then I put the level on it to make sure everything lines up good.
I can't balance.
These little kids really do have a servant's heart, and they love coming out and helping Dad, and they really are a huge help. My son is waiting patiently to hand me all the tools I need. I use a flush trim saw to cut these posts down. And here I am adding some more foundation support. This woodshed is going to hold quite a bit of weight. Time to put the floor joists in. For this whole thing I used pressure treated 2x6s to make it strong.
First I get everything in place with screws, and then I come back with joist hangers. I decided to use pocket hole screws to put these vertical supports in. It worked out pretty good. This is my son rejoicing in the day that the Lord has made. It's amazing to sit back and marvel at His creation. We're so blessed to live out where we do. These are just some pieces of wood I'm using to fur it out so that I have a place to put the siding. Time to put a roof on this thing. Here I'm using these handy little rafter ties. They're really convenient and take out all the guesswork of cutting bird's mouth. You just hang these, put the rafter in it, and nail it into place. Then I go ahead and install these slats, which will give me a place to screw the metal roof into. Like all the other buildings on my property, I went with this green metal roof. And this is my old cedar fence. I kept it around for projects like this. On this one, I'm going to use it for the siding, give it a more rustic look. And it looks like I got the roof on just in time before it started snowing. When putting this siding on, I alternated a long piece and a short piece. I left gaps in between to provide ample airflow to keep the wood nice and dry and aired out. And I did the same thing with the floor, leaving a gap. I think I used pressure treated 2x10s for the flooring. Time to fill this puppy up with firewood. I used this as an opportunity to clean up some dead standing fir and pine trees on my property.
Well, there it is, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe and please give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Yeah, catch you on the next one, guys.